British teen scenes. Today's teenage subcultures have less to do with rebelling and more to do with lifestyle choices. Skaters spend as much time as possible on their skateboards. When they're not skating, they're thinking about it, and their lifestyle choices all relate to their hobby. Clothes have to be loose to let them skate comfortably. Long-sleeved and short-sleeved t-shirts, hoodies, baggy jeans, and trainers. Their music tends to be loud and fast, punk, hip-hop, and sometimes metal. When they aren't skating, you can find them at home with their skater friends, playing high-speed computer games. Techies live and breathe computers, science and technology. They are popular because they can fix any problem their friends have with their computers and smartphones. These whiz kids are as happy chatting online as in person. Glasses are common, probably from all the time they spend staring at a screen. Clothes are generally jeans and a t-shirt, perhaps with a cool science design or a funny slogan like, "Don't trust atoms, they make up everything." Fashion's not a big deal for them, but the latest gadget is a must-have.